To download an app such as Freckle or SmartyAnts, the student would go into Self-Service. That's an app on the desktop of the iPad. You would then go and find the app. They're alphabetical. You can see that I have already installed Freckle because it says reinstall. And for SmartyAnts, I'm going to scroll down. And SmartyAnts has two apps. One of them is called SmartyAnts Second Grade. The other is called SmartyAnts Pre-K. The student would need to download both of them regardless of what grade they are in. Once you click on install for them, you'll notice that they are going to appear on the iPad. They take a few minutes to install. Once they have both installed, the student would access SmartyAnts or Freckle through the ClassLink app. They do not go into the SmartyAnts or Freckle app to access the program. You click on ClassLink, and since it is single sign-on, it will sign them into the program that they select. So for SmartyAnts, they would click on the SmartyAnts app in ClassLink.